Welcome to the Radian instructional video illustrating a typical meter test with the integrated comparative function in a Dytronic standard. Meter testing. The Radian single-phase Dytronic standard has a 4-line, 16-character backlit LCD and an extensive menu structure that is facilitated through the use of its 5-button membrane keypad. The standard's keypad will allow you to navigate through the menu structure with ease. The up and down arrows allow you to scroll throughout any specific screen that has that capability. The Escape left arrow reset button allows you to escape out of any screen and return to the previous. The Enter right arrow button will select any option on the screen that the cursor is pointing at. Lastly, you can use the Mode button to toggle throughout the main screens on the standard. The screens available on the standard are the main menu screen, instantaneous metrics screen, accumulating metrics screen, and the minimum and maximum measurement screen. When the unit is first powered, a screen containing relevant information such as a model number, serial number, and calibration number will appear for approximately 30 seconds. The standard will then begin to display the measurement functions it supports. There is a different screen for instantaneous, accumulating, minimum, and maximum measurements. You can toggle between the different screens by pressing the Mode button on the keypad. Depending on the model number, minimum and maximum measurements may not be supported and all measurements may not fit on the screen at once. If this is the case, this display is scrollable by using the up and down arrow buttons on the keypad. A meter test can be executed by using a snap switch. The Enter button on the keypad, or the many sensors offered by Radian Research that will sense disk revolutions, infrared, and visible calibration pulses, as well as KYZ signals. In this video, we will demonstrate a pulse pickup sensor-based test. Make all appropriate current and potential connections between the meter and the phantom load. At this time, note the information located on the meter's faceplate. This information should include the meter's K sub H, test amperage, service voltage, and current class. Also connect the pulse pickup sensor. Radian manufactures 2 types for sensors compatible with the Dytronic series of standards, the RM series and the RD series. The RM series of sensors will connect to the standard via the port 1 BNC connector, while the RD series of sensors will connect to the 4-pin LEMO terminal, labeled Pickup. When connecting the sensor to the LEMO port, be careful to correctly align the red dots on both the sensor and the pickup terminal. Press Mode on the keypad until the main menu is reached. Within the main menu, use the arrow buttons to move the cursor to the Run Test option. Press the Enter button. Press the up and down arrow buttons until the meter Sensors option is reached and press the Enter button. Scroll through the test functions supported by the standard and press the Enter button when the correct function is displayed. Use the keypad to select the correct K sub H for the meter and press the Enter button. If the correct K sub H is not available, scroll until the Edit option is displayed and press the Enter button. Use the left and right arrow buttons to select the digit of the K sub H and the up and down arrow buttons to select the correct value. Once the correct K sub H is displayed, scroll to the far right of the line to store the value for the test. Use the keypad to select the number of pulses per equivalent revolution on the meter and press the Enter button. Use the keypad to select the correct number of elements of the meter and press the Enter button. Use the keypad to select the correct number of current inputs being utilized, in this case select 1. From the phantom load, energize the meter with the correct current and voltage levels as detailed on the meter's faceplate label. Ensure that the grid on the Align sensor screen is pulsing each time an equivalent disk revolution occurs. Once correct sensor operation is verified, press the Enter button. Use the keypad to enter the desired number of test revolutions and press the Enter button. The standard will start the test when the next output pulse is sensed. Once the correct number of revolutions have been accounted for, the test results will be displayed. The total amount of energy will be displayed, along with the meter's percent registration and percent error.